Hi, welcome to my channel Electro Hobbyist. Today I am going to show you how to etch the PCB at home. So, let's begin. First of all, you will need a PCB layout like this. If you don't have any or don't know how to make one, then go and watch my last video. I have shown there how to make one. Okay, I will assume that you have PCB layout like this with you. Step 1. You need to print this layout on a glossy paper, also known as photo paper. Remember, while printing, adjust the scale to 1. Step 2. Take the copper cladded board and clean it thoroughly. Now take the printout of the layout and adjust it on the board, like this. Always, check that the layout is inside the borders of the board. There should be no dirt on the surface of the board. Step 3. Set the temperature of the iron at its maximum temperature. After the iron is heated, press the iron onto the layout, like this. Be careful while doing this as you may get burns. Iron it for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Step 4. After ironing it for 20 minutes, put the board in tap water for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, carefully peel the glossy paper off the surface of the board, without disturbing the tracks on the board. Step 5. Now, the board is ready for etching. Take one plastic container. Note that here we are taking plasticware because etching solution is very corrosive in nature. So, no metal near it. Be careful, the solution is acidic. For creating solution, take some ferric chloride and hydrous powder and add some warm water in it. It catalyzes the reaction. Don't inhale the fumes coming out of it. Now, Take the board and dip it in the solution completely. After 30 minutes we can see that the copper is vanished, that means your board is etched. Take the board and put it in some tap water and rinse it thoroughly. Now, your board is etched. You only need to clean the ink from it and drill the holes for the components. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.